Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. If you also often forget the screen passcode, subscribe to us and watch this video if you want to unlock your disabled phone. Here are 3 solutions for you. Now let's go with the first one. Way 1. Erase iPad on Security Lockout in iOS 15.2 or later. When the iPad is unavailable and try again after 15 minutes, you will see Security Lockout screen, and then an erase option will appear in the bottom. You can tap it. Then continue erasing. Here you need to enter the Apple ID passcode. After a while, it starts to erase. Well done, you can see a low screen. It means that you can go ahead and set it up as a new device. Just like this. Way 2. Use Find My. If your iPad has turned on Find My before, you can try this way. Open your computer, go to iCloud.com and sign in your Apple ID. Then click Find My. Hit All Device on the top. Choose the device which you want to unlock, then click Erase. After following the prompts, your iPad will start erasing as before. Okay, now you can find that the screen password has disappeared. Now you can enjoy your iPad normally. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. Want a safe and fast solution? This is a powerful iOS repair tool that can help you remove your screen passcode when you forget it. It can help you solve most of the problems in the use of iPhone. So launch UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Then connect your iPad to your computer. We need to put your iPad into recovery mode so UltFone iOS System Repair can recognize it. Just press the volume up and down keys. Then press and hold the side button until the computer icon appears. Just like this. Now we go back to UltFone iOS System Repair. Hit Start button. Here we need to choose the Deep Repair. Download the latest firmware. Now we can start to repair. Well done, you'll see the startup screen. At this point you can set up your iPad like a new device. The whole process is simple and safe, just like this. Go try it. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.